Hi everyone, happy Saturday. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys had a nice Thanksgiving holiday with your family, eating lots of yummy food with lots to be thankful for. So today I have a really nice, fun, quick video to share with you guys. I ordered one new planner that I'm thinking I might use for 2023, and I actually ordered another one. It should be on the way soon, and I'm thinking of ordering one more just because I'm not sure which one I want to use, but I love the idea of all of them. This one I think I will most likely definitely use for sure. I'm really excited about it. It's just the planner itself. It's my first order from Pression. So I've been doing a lot of research on planners and agendas and ring planners and traveler's notebooks and that sort of thing, happy planners, all kinds of planners. And I really liked this one because it served, it kind of serves a lot of purposes. So let me just go ahead and open it. Like I said, it's my first order from Pression. Yay! So this is what it looks like. I already sliced the box open. I kind of already took a look at it, but I wanted to share it with you guys. So it comes in this cute little Pression bag, and then it came with all this black mesh, and then it has the little receipt with the description. And then he sent this super cute little Christmas postcard, which is so adorable. I absolutely love it. And then this is the back of it. It says, "Dear Santa," and it has the milk and cookies. Absolutely adorable. I love it. And then he also sent some fun little freebies, which I'll go ahead and open up. So here we have, I love the color, by the way, super cute, like a super rose foiled pink. These are some gorgeous day covers. They're actually by Scribble Prints Co. They're really cute, so I get a set of 2 Monday through Sunday. Look at all that beautiful foil. Almost looks like it has like confetti foil on it. It's so gorgeous. And then here we have some fun little bow headers. You get some large ones and some smaller ones. Really cute. And then these are some cute little banners. They're little tiny box banners, and then some little decorative bows. And then here we have some super fun functional stickers, such as like, credit card or bill or movie, YouTube, TV, trash, etc. Really pretty. And then some fun little washi borders. So I love these. So you have like the little bows, and then you have the confetti polka dots. So here's a smaller box, here's a medium box, and then the larger full box. Really cute. I love those. So I did decide to go with the elastic ring folio. It's the Sophisticate, and it's the mini pocket in the Moroccan clay. Now, I will say I spent a lot of time, guys, going back and forth on, which planner or which cover I wanted. And then finally I decided to go for it. I did watch some YouTube videos, and I should have remembered that in a lot of the YouTube videos, they say that the color that shows on their website sometimes tends to be a little different from what actually comes. So I am slightly disappointed, but I do like the color, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and keep it. The color that shows on the website is more of a beautiful, like, almost like a tan color, but like on the darker brown side. Not dark brown, but more like a tan brown color. And so when I saw this color, I was like, this is not what it showed on the website, but it's beautiful and I love it. So this is a pocket size. It's a mini pocket. It's a 6 ring. And this color is called Moroccan Clay. I decided not to add the embossed stamp or add the 1-month planner filler bundle. So the planner itself was $45, and in total with taxes and everything I paid about $57. So not bad. It's a really pretty planner. I decided to go with the TN layout. I've always liked the TN look, but for me, TNs are really hard to work with for some reason, so I prefer just like a ring planner if anything. But I love that this has like that TN look, but it's still a ring planner. So Again, this is more like a, I don't know, it says it's Moroccan clay, but doesn't really, it's more like a pink to me, but I love it. It's really pretty. It's a really nice leather material. The stitching is done really, really well, which is really great. The elastic band is nice and thick, and then the rings are gorgeous. They are gold rings. And then it has a lot of great pockets. So I don't know if this right here is a little mishap, if it should be cut down or not, or if that's how it is. I didn't even check, but there's a little zipper here to be able to add some stuff. And this pocket goes pretty deep, which is really nice if you want to put like a super secure credit card in there or something. And then here you have 6 pockets for either cards or, you know, business cards. Then you have a larger pocket here in the back, and then you have one large pocket here, you have another large pocket, then you have a side pocket, and then 2 credit card and ID pockets, and then you have the clear pocket right here. So I love that. And then what's really cool is you have a secret hidden pocket right here. You can add, like, if you want to use this as a wallet, you can add your cash in here, put in extra receipts or extra little maybe stickers. I would probably put my stickers, like if I had like little date covers that were maybe about this size, I would probably put them here, and then maybe one right here, just so that my stickers don't bend from that crease right there. So as you can see, my sticker sheet fits really nicely, and it wouldn't bend at all. So I would probably use it for that purpose, if anything, or cash, because if I was to put it like this, I feel like it would probably crease my sticker sheet, but who knows. But yeah, it's really beautiful. I absolutely love it. I did order some inserts. I actually ordered some inserts during the Black Friday sale from So Much Crafting. I love their inserts. I got some for my personal ring planner, and I've loved them so far. And then I ordered another set from City Girl Planners, and I can't wait for those to come in. So I'm really excited to set this baby up. For sure, I think I'm definitely going to use this one, and then this is just going to be my personal planner. I have a lot of things coming up for the new year, so I'm definitely going to use this one, and it'll be fun. A fun little size to use as a wallet for on the go as well. I've always wanted a planner that I can have and throw into my purse, so I think this is going to be perfect. And the purses that I have, definitely this little planner fits in there, so I love that. And then, like I said, I have a few more planners that I'm planning on bringing in, and then we'll kind of just decide from there what I do for 2023. But so far, absolutely love this guy. I'm looking forward to setting it up, and yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for this quick little hangout session on Saturday. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your weekend. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what planner you're planning to use in 2023, or what you're contemplating on using for 2023, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.